Today's work of the construction team now begins. Let's go! Bulldozer.
Kiki, help me! I'm in trouble.
What's happening?
There are so many gems underground, but we don't have the tools. The excavator can dig out all the gems. Can you help us?
No problem. Excavator is on it. Digging, digging. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Excavator. Gem, let's start digging. Here is the gem. Let's start digging.
Woohoo! All the gems have been dug up. Thank you!
It is just a piece of cake. Construction team, mission accomplished.